How to file your LLC in Texas. First step, choose your business name. This is a very, very crucial step into starting your business. So you want to pick wisely. It can be likened to digging and searching for maybe gold. When you find the right name, best believe you'll know it. Step 2. Make sure the name is available. In order to do that, here's a quick method to check your name availability. First, we're going to go to www.comptroller.texas.gov. Once you get here, you're going to click on Franchise Tax Account Status. Inside the entity name block, we're going to type the proposed business name. In this case, we're going to try My New Business. No doubt this name is not going to be available. So we see that it is another My New Business that is used that name. Now let's try a new name. My Old Business. Let's search it and see if it's available. So we see it says business name My Old Business was not found. So no doubt this name is available. Step 3. Time to file your LLC. The site to file your LLC online is going to be www.departmentofhelp.org. Let's jump right in. Let's go to the website. Once you get here, you're going to scroll down to register business, click on get started, then click on file my LLC. Once you get here, you're going to drop your name in, the proposed name. What was it? My Old Business LLC. Click next, copy and paste that. It says that name is available, which we know that. Now we're going to confirm the name. How many owners we got? There's going to be one. If it's more than one, you're going to put both owners' name along with their full address. Let me type it in. Show you how easy and quick this process is. Once you do that, copy and paste that. What's going to be the business address? Drop it in. Put your owner's first name and last name. Simply click on register business. You see it's a $300 fee, $79 agency fee, $379 total. Make your payment. Put all the necessary information. Submit payment. And once you do that, you submit it, which we're not going to do it because we don't want them to charge us $379. But then you'll get a screen like this. Thanks for your payment. And once you have your purchase done, it'll have some instructions. It'll take about 10 to 12 days. And then you good to go. Final step. What do we do once it's filed? Well, we go and track the business filing. So about 24 hours later, we're going to go to the Secretary of State website, sos.state.tx.us, and just drop that in. Search it. You're going to scroll down to track business filing. You're going to go to this entity name block. You're going to put my old business. Of course, when we search it, it's not going to be available because we really didn't file it. But yours will show in here. Once you search it, it should tabulate your business name here. And that's how you track it. And so that's all it is. That's how you file your LLC. Click subscribe. Looking forward to working with you.